This is the brief on uniquely human temporal thoughts. It turns out that our ability to think about time points that aren't really specific, like way off in the future or deep in the past, well, that seems to be a uniquely human thing. And it actually comes directly from how complex and logical our grammar is. So let's break down how this works. There are three key things you need to know. First, there's a big difference between two systems for thinking about time. One's called referential and the other quantificational. Now, other species, they mostly use that referential system. They can only really handle specific events tied to right now, like something's happening soon. But we humans, we use quantificational time. That lets us think about general, non-specific times, sometime, somewhere, not just now or later. Second, this unique skill we have, it's a direct result of how our grammar works, using complex operations to basically generate rules about time. Our language structure acts kind of like a formula, defining time periods just by describing them, totally separate from what's happening right now or what we've personally experienced. Grammar unlocks this freedom from the immediate. And finally, this leads to a really powerful ability, thinking about time by description. Because we can create these abstract rules for time, we can imagine time periods we've never actually lived through, like thinking about the time before I was born. This descriptive power is what fuels our mental time travel, letting us project ourselves across huge, unique timelines in our minds. Ultimately, this research suggests language evolution was like shifting between different kinds of logic, giving us this amazing mental ability to span vast, abstract timelines.